everybody, my name is Halie, and today I will be discussing the creative case study, which is Sutisana. Sutisana was founded in Bolivia in 2010 by an organization called Word Made Flesh. The mission of this organization is to provide a way out for women in prostitution and give them employment, a trade, and a new life. I want you guys to take a look with me at the Sutisana website so you can get a better idea of what this organization is all about. Here's the organization's home page. You can scroll down and see their list of products that they make. They're really great. I have a few of them. What I really want to focus on is under the About Us tab. There's this great video here, which I unfortunately can't play because audio will not record in my video, but I encourage all of you to come and watch this video as it talks more about the Sutisana business model and what it has done for these women in the city of El Alto, Bolivia, and how it's really impacted them and changed their lives. The Sutisana name has origin based on two popular languages spoken by the women participating in the program and as well as in the country of Bolivia. From Aymara comes Suti, which means name, and from Spanish comes the word sana, which means healthy or healed. Thus, Sutisana was born, meaning healed name. As women leave behind their lives of prostitution, they are also choosing to leave behind their lives and their name used in their old life. They are truly looking for a new identity. When a woman chooses to join the Sutisana family, the Word Made Flesh organization coordinated sewing training to prepare the women for work in the business. The creative parameters for these women, once they've joined the Sutisana family, are limitless. From choosing design, colors, and patterns, to coming up with new color combinations, to creating a new product that will fit within the Sutisana product line. This new way of life not only allows these women to have pride in what they do, but they find a creative outlet to provide for themselves and their families. When women join Sutisana, they are gaining help in two areas, life help and business help. When women join Sutisana, they receive health benefits, community support, an opportunity to talk with a counselor or a therapist, nutritional advisors, safety, economic stability, and financial support. On the business side of things, they've received 2 to 3 months of training through the Word Made Flesh organization, as I mentioned before. They receive training in sewing and all of the industrial devices used to create the products. They learn how to make all of the products. They work with new materials, and they also help coach other women as they are leaving prostitution. According to the World Fair Trade Organization website, fair trade is trading partnership based on dialogue, transparency, and respect that seeks greater equity in international trade. It contributes to sustainable development by offering better trading conditions to and securing the rights of marginalized producers and workers. As an organization, Sutisana has joined the Fair Trade Organization. They also try to recycle materials as much as possible. Listed here are some images of products that Sutisana produces, from purses and handbags to coin pouches, keychains, clothes, toiletry carriers, throw pillows, and more. According to Torrance's non-test indicators, several of the creative characteristics embodied by the women of Sutisana are listed here. Number 1, they can express their feeling and emotions through visual arts media, being the products they produce. Number 2, they use commonplace materials for home purposes through the products that I've showed you, such as purses, the throw pillows, clothing articles, and more. Number 3, produces large number of ideas with common objects. The common objects include the aguayo, which is the colored textile fabric you see on the back of all the slides, is a common textile that is used around the country of Bolivia and other Andean countries. This commonplace material has now taken on several other forms through the products that Sutisana produces. Number 4, support other members of small group, high group loyalty and involvement. The women of this group have high loyalty to one another and are involved in daily community with each other. Number 5, uses concrete objects and materials to generate ideas, solutions, etc. Number 6, responds emotionally to stories, events, and needs of group members. These women are closely tied together and knit as a family unit. Number 7, ideas start flowing when concrete objects and materials are involved. Once these women are rescued from their lives of prostitution, the ideas that start flowing from them when they see the materials and availability to them are limitless. As one of the women who helped run the organization stated, Sutisana truly helps women create a life and a product that they are proud of. It brings them dignity, freedom, and hope. I want to encourage all of you to visit Sutisana.com and continue to further investigate the organization's website and see the video so you can have a first-hand look at what this company does. Here's my list of resources. Thanks for watching.